Right, children, good morning. It's a moral class, and in this lesson, in this class, we are going to study about second lesson of morals. Catechisms also this time, children, you are going to give moral exam, not catechism exam. All right. So Catholic children also will give moral exam in half yearlies. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the dignity of labor. Dignity means the importance of labor. Now imagine if the workers who do very farmers don't work in farms, or the masons don't construct the houses, or the cobblers don't stitch the shoes. So what you are going to do, what your money is going to buy? When there will be no food in the fields, then what you are going to buy? If there will be masons are not going to construct the houses, then how you are going to live in big flats and bungalows? So here in this chapter we are going to study that the importance of labor or the importance of hard work. No work is small or big. The thing is, you should work with full dedication. Whatever you are doing, you should give your 100% in it, and you should be satisfied in the amount or the services or the conditions which is given to you by God. Now, in this lesson, there is one boy called Manu. He's around 10 years age. His father is bank manager, his mother is a teacher. Now what he does, he is a boy who enjoy video gaming, who enjoy spending time on fast food centers. He loves spending money. So what happens, while on his birthday he said, father, now the children of my age are getting too much pocket money, but I'm not getting. Okay, the children of my age means my friends are getting more pocket money than me. I'm not getting any pocket money. I'm getting very less pocket money. I want this on my birthday, you to increase pocket money for me. Then father said how much he expected. I think he expected, then when we are going to read the lesson, then I'll tell you, 1,000 rupees, at least 1,000 rupees every month. He wanted his father to give him at least 1,000 rupees per month for pocket money. Then since and the boy did not realize the importance of money and the hard earned money, how the money is earned. The parents which earn money, your parents earn money with too much of hard work. The money is very hard earned, you should not waste it. Okay, similarly, then father said something to Manu. What he said, then what Manu did, and what how he realized the importance of hard work and money, this we are going to study in this lesson. Dad, my pocket money is not enough to last me for a month. Things are much costlier and you have been giving me 500 bucks for the last 2 years. Manu's voice broke in the silence of the dining table. Now everybody is sitting on the dining table and Manu said, father, you are giving me 500 rupees. Bucks means rupees. You are giving me 500 rupees, but this is not enough. The things are getting costlier day by day, and my necessities are also increasing. Manu had turned 10 this birthday and his needs were growing as he grew older. Now he was 10 years of age, means the age of your age only. You all are approximately 10 years of age only, 10 or 11 or 9. So he was the age of yours only, and he said, father, you give me 500 rupees per month. I am not happy with it. The things, the necessities are increasing. I want 1,000 rupees now. The Khannas lived comfortably in two-storied house in an upscale locality of the city. Mr. Khanna is bank manager. His wife is a teacher. Surely dad can afford to give me at least 1,000 rupees. Now Manu thought, my father is bank manager, my mother is a teacher. They both are earning very good. So at least they can give me 1,000 rupees per month. It is not very big deal. He loved to hang out with friends at fast food joints, and he was an avid video gaming enthusiastic and liked watching latest movies and films on the DVD player. Now, what he used to do? He liked to eat junk food, then he liked to play video games, then he liked to watch movies. So this were the places where he needed his money to be spent. So he was asking more money from his father. Mrs. Khanna, they got look at my friends. They get more than double the pocket allowance, and I am getting. Now he was saying, he was comparing himself from his friends and saying, look at my friends, they are getting double the amount, and I am not getting anything. I am getting so less. Mrs. Khanna was the first to relent and gave an appealing glance to her husband, but Mr. Khanna was unmoved. It's time the boy realized the importance of work and value of hard earned money. Listen, Manu, he began. I'll consider your request, but on one condition. Now, father said, okay, you are saying to increase your pocket money. I'm going to increase it, but only in one condition. Now, what is the condition? The coming summer break, you will distribute newspaper and find some other job. Do this for 2 more months. Show me the money you earn and get equal amount of pocket money for the entire next month, each month. Now, father said, I will increase your money, the pocket money. The only thing you have to do is one condition. The condition is that in this summer break for 2 months, you have to distribute the newspapers and you have to do some or the other job. You have to earn money. Whatever money you will earn, I will give you that much pocket money every month. Means if you earn 2000 rupees, I will give you 2000 rupees every month. If you will earn 3000 rupees, I will give you 3000 rupees every month. Father said, in this summer break, you have to distribute the newspaper and you have to do other things. Some job you have to do, and the money which you will earn by that job, that money I will give you as your pocket money for every month. This father said. Mrs. Khanna dropped her spoon in surprise, and Manu was shocked. Now everybody was shocked. The mother was also shocked. Mother and son, Manu. They both were shocked. They didn't expected father to say that you have to work in the summer break. What kind of preposition is this? Mrs. Khanna said, means mother said, why you are saying this? But later, not in front of Manu, later mother said to father, what you are doing this? Why you are asking child to do work in summer break? What will our neighbors think of us? She was not happy. Mrs. Khanna means the mother was not happy. I don't care about others, Mr. Khanna said. I want my son to appreciate the values of hard earned money, the sooner the better, and this is the right time. Why even I did odd jobs during college. It will be great learning experience for him. Now father said, I don't care about people what they are going to think. The most important part is he should know the importance of hard earned money. And I had also done different types of jobs when I was in the college. Now it is the right time for him to learn the importance of money, the importance of labor. Then the topic was closed. Manu, though feeling let down and embarrassed, took a 4 hour job at fast food joint, waiting at tables and taking orders. Now, what job he did? He started doing job in a restaurant to take orders. In the morning, he went about in bicycle distributing newspaper. In the morning, he used to do distribute the newspapers for 2 hours. Then for 4 hours, he used to work in the restaurant. It was hard and tiring work the few days, but as the days passed, it began enjoying it. In starting, he was not liking the work because it was very hard and tiring. In the morning, he used to distribute the newspapers. Then he has to go to the restaurant and work there for 4 hours and take orders. But later on, he started enjoying. 2 months passed. Now he worked there for 2 months. And when Manu counted his earning, it was 2,500 rupees in his pocket. How much he had earned in 2 months? He had earned 2,500 rupees as her pocket money. Strangely, he never spent any money on video games and films and no fast food. Now, then what happened? He realized that this money is so hard earned. I have worked so hard and earned this 2,500 money. I'm not going to spend on video game. I'm not going to spend on fast food. I'm not going to spend on films. The free lunch he got for the food court where he worked had dulled his appetite burgers and pizzas. Now he was not interested in eating burgers and pizzas. Why? Because now he has understood that he has realized that the money that he has earned, it's so hard earned, it's so important, and he should not waste it just like that in eating extra. Whatever food he used to get, that was enough for him now, and he was not craving for pizzas and burgers and fast foods every day. How much are these? Asked Manu. 2,500 rupees, Manu replied. That's great, Mr. Khanna said. Okay, you have earned so much money, 2,500 in 2 months. Very good. And how much did you spend? Then he said, you have earned this much money. Now tell me how much you have spent. खर्च कितना किया इसमें से? Then he said, I have not spent anything. Yes, Dad, and I don't think I want any allowance double now. That comes to 200. Uh, 200, 500, 2,500. Then he said, how much you spent? Some 500 rupees, dad, was Manu replied. That comes to 250 each month. Mr. Khanna smiling. Yes, dad, I think I want any allowance double now, said Manu. But why? Asked Mr. Khanna. 500 are more than enough for my needs. Manu's voice was grave, and I have realized that it takes to earn money. Now, what happened? Father said, you have earned 2,500. Now, how much you spent? Manu said, I have not spent much. I have spent only 500 rupees, and 2,000 I have not spent. Father said, okay, now I am going to increase your money, because according to the condition it was said that if your whatever money you are going to earn, I am going to give you as pocket money. Then Manu realized and said, no father, I don't want any increase in money, because now I have realized, I know that how much it take hard work, how much hard work, how much pain it takes to earn money. And now from today, I'm not going to waste money uselessly. I'm going to use money very wisely and going to purchase things and buy things which are of necessity, of need. And I'm not going to waste useless money in watching movies, eating junk foods every day, and playing video games. Then Mr. Khanna looked at his son. I've decided to work during my winter and summer vacation every year. Then Manu also said that, father, I've decided to work every year now in the summer and winter break. You'll help me open an account in my account, and I'll put my earnings. You all also must be having some piggy bank with you where you save the pocket money, and this is a very good habit. You all should always save money. You should always have a habit of saving money in piggy bank. Manu was now regarded newspaper hawker and food court waiters with respect. He had known the value of labor, the lesson he would never forget in the rest of his life. So, what this lesson teaches us? This lesson teaches us that we should be very careful while spending money, because the money which we are getting, the money which our parents are earning, it is very hard earned. It is not easily earned. Your parents are doing very hard work since morning till the evening to get money, to earn money. So you should respect them. You should respect the money. You should not waste it in unnecessary items. You should use your money only where the necessities are there, where the things are very important to buy. All right. So this is the story. Now few questions I will give you from in between the lesson, and the exercises which are given at the back, you can do it on your own. What kind of part-time job would you like to do? Put a tick mark. Whichever job you want to do, appreciate at the store or newspaper vendor, cleaning cars, painting pencils, whatever you want to do, you put a tick mark there. It is up to your choice. It's on your own choice. You can mark more than one option also. More than one option also you can mark. Then second question, mark the things you do and cross what you don't do. Now, this is also up to you. I save a part of my pocket money. I speak politely. I help my gardeners. I help my father. I clean and sweep. Now, whatever you do, you put a tick mark, and whatever you don't do, you put a cross there. Okay. Similarly, the questions which are given on the next page, the multiple choice questions, that also you have to do according to your choice. Whatever you think is correct, you put a tick mark. Whatever you think is wrong, you put a cross. And the questions which I'm going to give you from in between the lesson, that you have to mark in the book only, or you can do in the rough. In moral exam, multiple choice question will come. Multiple choice question will come in exam. As we have done the test, the same way moral exam will be conducted. Questions will be asked from in between the lesson and from the back of the chapter. Multiple choice questions will come. Okay, so read the chapter carefully, do the questions which I am going to give you, and complete the exercise also.